All right, we're hot. We're recording. So this is your corn maze, right?
Corn maze, and you can see how I filled in the edges with more food plot seed.
Yeah, on all kind of like a thick. Some people do a fire break. I usually don't, but and then in the middle, what you got in the middle of the corn?
In between the corn is beans with wheat spread in most of it.
Okay. So which direction you want me to go from here?
We can go that way down towards the pond. Everything that's going to be green is going to be my food plot mix that I use.
Snap a few pictures of your house if you want. Oh, is that a micro plot there?
That's another micro plot which will get extended next year.
Okay. Now which way?
Keep heading due west from there. You'll encounter another food plot, a little more. Turn this way, a little bit more.
I say, yeah, I can't. I don't know the direction here.
Okay, right there. That'll turn you due west. Okay, so there should be a food plot right there.
Okay, it's a narrow one there.
That's a narrow one right there.
Okay.
It's shaded right now, so it's not coming out real green with the clouds.
Well, I've seen them, man. They're beautiful. Is this yours? Another one there?
Yep, that's where is that?
There's a little bit of green we can see.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's plot 3. There's the property edge right there.
Okay.
That's plot 3, so I put screen off from the neighbor's property.
One of these I helped you clear some stumps out of, huh?
That's back by the pond.
Okay, we're going to finish the tour here in a second, but this winter I'm going to go back with the excavator and I'm going to help Phil make his plots even bigger because they turned out beautiful this year, but he's learning that he's going to want more volume to hold as many deer as possible. So stay tuned for that this winter. Let's finish the tour out and see some more beautiful property. I'll tell you guys, you know, if this ain't living the dream, I don't really know what might be. If you're ever dreaming of land, keep pushing ahead, keep saving, do what you got to do.
Did you stall?
Yeah.
Oh no. Well, you are directly above my place. It said that you couldn't go up anymore.
But I'm not, it's not moving forward.
Oh, a little bit more. Okay, there you go.
You want me to go that direction?
Yeah, you can go that way. It's not going to freeze up on you again, is it?
I hope not.
Well, we'll make sure we keep it over the top of mine.
Yeah.
Let's point your camera straight down. That looks pretty. See, now that right there, that's a strips of Milo in it.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, man, them are beautiful. What else you want to see?
Yeah, that's
a nice plot.
That's actually plot 1.
No, which way, to the
Go ahead and
right?
turn to your right a little bit.
There's
See,
another.
that's that plot 3. Keep turning. I want to see that plot in the middle because I haven't been there.
It quit on me again.
Did it
little
really?
Sucker, yeah.
It's like you get to that certain edge. and it
Maximum flight distance reached.
Just a distance.
stops. Okay.
Yeah, she's
All right. Go ahead and turn back. Like right here is where I want to see that green plot right there myself.
This one?
Nope. That
That one, okay.
That's the one. Because it's buried in the center. I actually have a blind in that, but I'm not going to hunt it until perfect conditions.
Okay. That's your pond, right?
That's my pond.
You got anything more this way you want to see, or we could take
Nope,
some
no,
stills?
all looks like woods until we take until the leaves fall off. We can't see. There's the big fish farm.
That's a pond. That pond's on another property, right?
Yeah.
Let's take some pictures for you guys.
I hear it. That bugger's loud.
There goes the queen.
Queenie. Queen of my double-wide trailer. Look at how good that all turned out. See, I even filled in along here with green stuff. Everywhere I could. More food.
I want to do a quick fly over this corn.
Oh, take a low
Yeah, that's what I mean.
run. I did it once and posted it on Facebook, and man, it is awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.